Hello everyone, welcome to TechPesta. In this video I am going to show you how to quick install on WordPress. If you buy the domain name and Linux hosting package, then most of the companies provided the cPanel for control the hosting. cPanel has a lot of feature to control the hosting packages. Let's learn how you can quick install the WordPress by using cPanel. Once you log in the cPanel, then you have to scroll down. Under the Software Clouds Apps Installer, you have to click on the WordPress. It will be open the WordPress installer window. Here you have to click on the install now. It will be open the software setup window. Here you have to click on the folder, subfolder. If you are using the many website in your hosting package, then you have to choose for the subfolder for the separate website. Here I am choosing for WP test. Then the site setting, you have to set the site name WordPress test. Then you have to enter the site description. Then you have to add the admin username. So I am choosing admin. I have added the password. You have to use for the strong password for security reason. Then you have to add the admin email. Then you have to select your website language. You can also choose for other language. I leave it only for the English. If you would like to add the plugins, then you can select the plugins what you would like to add in your WordPress site. So I am adding backups. Then they are provided many themes. You can choose as you need. They have a lot of themes they are provided. So you can choose for the show all themes. So I would like to install this theme. So I have to choose this and select this theme. So the images is copyright. If you use this theme, you have to change your own images. Click on S. Then you have to click on the install. The database name, username, mapping, everything is automatically set up for this package. Once the installation completed, it will be shows for the two URL. One is website URL. This is for the WordPress website URL. By default, the template has installed the demo content. So you have to change your own content and the copyright images. The another URL is admin URL. This will be open for the administration page. You can check it out. This is the WordPress administrator page. Here you can control everything about the WordPress website. So in this way, you can quickly install the WordPress by using cPanel. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.